Well, it is just about tax time. The filing season will open this time next week, which means it's time to start getting your paperwork in order. Oh boy, there are some changes this year that will impact those of you who bought into one of the health exchanges. And our Jennifer Lukey joins us live in the studio with a real deal on what you can expect.
Yeah, Greg, tax season officially starts on January 20th. That's next Tuesday. But you should be doing a bit of homework now to make sure your affairs are in order and that you've chosen someone reputable to help you out.
Christmas card season is over, so be a bit more careful when tossing junk mail.
It quite possibly could be 1099s, W-2s, 1098s, any important tax information. So start looking for that in the mail.
The big changes this year are for those of you who either bought into a health insurance exchange under Obamacare or chose not to. If you opted out and you currently have no insurance, you'll have to pay a $95 penalty on your taxes. If you signed up for the exchange, you may have some money coming your way.
If you haven't applied for that credit ahead of time to help pay for the health insurance and you paid for the health insurance yourself, you can put that credit on your tax return and get it back when you file your tax this year.
So then when you go into the website.
If you need help figuring it all out, the State Department of Taxation and Finance is stepping up its efforts to make sure the people offering that assistance are on the up and up.
At the minimum, you should check to see if the person is registered.
All tax preparers now need to be registered and trained before taking on customers.
We want to have transparency, and it's also for consumer protection. You know, if you think about it, barbers in all 50 states are regulated, nail specialists are regulated, the Department of State and the Department of Education regulate over 50 professions in New York State. But it was kind of interesting that until last year, anyone can prepare new tax returns.
70% of New Yorkers hire a preparer, but if you don't have a complicated situation, you may not need to.
Many of these people could file their returns either themselves for free, or go to the IRS website, or go to the VITA sites, or go to AARP and have their returns prepared for free.
It's when you start throwing in things like your own business, second homes, rental properties, big, huge 1099s, big investment statements, the healthcare changes that have gone on this year, that's when you really want to seek out a tax accountant.
Now, some commonly missed deductions. Let's go over them so you don't miss them. Education credits, out-of-pocket charitable contributions, and child care credits. Make sure you claim them if you're eligible. You can get more information about those free programs that are available at the New York State Department of Taxation and Finance's website. We'll link you there. Just go to cbs6albany.com. Sorry about that. cbs6albany.com, and we'll link you there. Live in studio tonight, Jennifer Lukey, CBS 6 News.